Hello friends, in the last class we have discussed about pencil shading. Now we will discuss about shading with a pencil color. Objective of this topic is to generate different values using dry media, shading pencil or pencil colors. Now we will use pencil colors. In the last class we have created 6 different values like this. In the last class we have created 6 different values using pencil. Now we will use pencil colors. So I do have a Staedtler's colors which is very good for pencil shading. You can use these colors. And we will do a pencil shading with a one color only. First we will create a box like this as we have done in the last class as well. And then you have to remove these lines. If we will not remove these lines, then this line will reflect in the color after completing all the task. Now as you know, we have to create 6 different values in this, and we can leave first box as it is. We will just make the border of this box, and now we have to start shading from lightest to the darkest. You have to hold pencil like this in this way, and you have to start shading with a very light pencil. Now I have created this one box, lighter shade. Now we have to create a darker shade than that in the next box. Your color should be totally blend. For darker value, we have to do this color on the twice on the box. Now we will fill this third box. We have to make a little darker than that, than the last one. So for the darkened one, we have to color twice, thrice in the one box only. Now we move on to the next box. We will start shading in this, and you have to use ivory sheet for this. For shading you have to use ivory sheet for the better result. Now we will complete this box. Now look at this, I have created 4 different values. You can see. Now we will create another value. You can use pencil twice or thrice. It will take a time to get dark. To create 6 different values, it will take time. As once we do, so it has a lighter value. Then for doing the dark, we have to do this again and again so that it will completely get dark. Now you can see I have created 5 different values, and we have to create one value in this box as well, darker than that, and then we will sharpen the pencil and we will create this again which we have erased these lines. Now we have to make that again with a little sharpened pencil. We have to draw these borders which we erased. If we don't erase the borders, then we get here a pencil's mark. So that's why we had to erase it. Now look at this. We have created 6 different values. There is some space left here, so we'll complete this as well. We'll make a darker borders to differentiate these pencil shadings values. Now you will create one more here. So you have to create using different colors at least 7 pencil color shadings like this. You have to create a whole pencil color shading using different colors. You can create a 7 to 8 different shadings. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.